Please have a welcome for the talent king, Bob Balaban. Bryan Cranston. And as I said, it's good to have him back here in Berlin for the first time. Please have a welcome for Wes Anderson. And we have a special announcement for our next talent. He came here by plane to rescue the bear. Also, and it's his birthday today. Please have a welcome and have a song for him. This is Koyu. Thank you. Please have a welcome for Spots, Liev Schreiber. Not only a great actor, also a good singer, as you heard. Please have a welcome for Goldblum. His views, but that's what I feel like I tend to do. And Jason and Roman and I, we started this project with an idea to do a story. I mean, it doesn't sound like a great pitch, probably, but to do a movie about some dogs abandoned on a garbage dump, a pack of dogs who live on garbage. But we had also been talking for some years about wanting to do something in Japan or about Japan, something related to our shared love of Japanese cinema, especially Kurosawa. And so in a way the story could have taken place anywhere, but the thing that made it come to life for us was when we decided this should be a sort of fantasy version of Japan. Is that right? Do I say that right? Yeah, that's about right. Yeah. But you're invited to add something if you like.
Wes said it perfectly. He said it perfectly.
Next. Okay. There's a question, please. Who has a microphone? Please stand up and. Yeah, you've got a microphone.
Okay. Hi, Wes. Congratulations, everyone. I first want to give a shout out to Greta Gerwig for making Oscar history as only the 5th woman nominated as Best Director. Wes, how did you assemble such a great group for the voices? And for Bill Murray, who's been in many of your films, how was it to be just a voice, Bill?
We don't think of it that way, but we appreciate the question. I think, most of the actors here are people who I either have worked with before or have loved for years. And in a way, I feel like this group of people and others is the first list we made. Jason and Roman and I and Kun too, when Kun joined us on that project, of who we would like to have in the movie. And one thing about an animated movie is you can't really say not available. You know? can do it anytime. Anytime. We can do it at your house. We can do it any hour of the day. And there's just no excuse. And so that helps. And Bill, you take over the next part?
Well, that was my part with the not available thing. I did not have that option. And as far as being just a voice, I'm all cranked up on chocolate and a little bit of champagne right now. I'm going to say that being a voice with this group is a little bit like being in the We Are the World video. I think these are some of the great voices of cinema, and I'm very happy to be singing even if I just get one verse.